I want to make this video and upload it for you guys to understand. And I want to explain to you how I save money. And this also has to do with you being accountable for yourself. So I want you guys to take this a little bit serious as well. All right. So what you're going to do, guys, is you need to establish that you're living within your means. If you're not living within your means, then of course you're not going to be able to save money, right? If I make $4,000 a month, that's 2,000 every 2 weeks. If I make $4,000 a month, that's what I make. And if I make that, that's what I have to live off of. If you're spending more money than you're making, then you need to start cutting back places. The car you drive, you need to talk about how much you're going out, what you're spending on food. You need to stop spending money at the clubs. You know who I'm talking to. Don't play with me. All right. When you're doing all those things, you need to take a real look at your finances and see where is your money going. Right? If you want to save that money, all you got to do is however much money you make a month, that's what stays in your checking account. All right? And you want to try and survive as long as you can without spending any money. That's how you save money. And this is very simple. This is an accountability thing. Some of you out there have income problems. Some of you out there have spending problems. I have been in both of those categories, so I know how this works. You need to minimize expenses. Minimize the expenses. So if I make $4,000 a month, that is what's in my checking account. At the beginning of next month or the end of the month, whenever you get paid. But when you start that next month, your checking account balance needs to be 4,000. If you had 5,000, then that means $1,000 will go into your savings account. And this is the golden rule. Don't forget this. All right? Do not forget this. You understand me? Don't forget it. When the money goes into the savings account, it don't come out. Now, y'all better stop playing with me. Get on it. I done told you. Grow up. Be accountable. You know what not to do. Stop going to the club because you can't afford it. That car you driving, sell it. You can't afford it. If you paying $300 or $400, $500 for a car payment, you can't afford that. All right? Minimize expenses. You know what to do. Now do it. Quit playing with me.